تمام wait.
Okay.
Okay تمام. You are recording, right?
Yes, I'm recording.
Okay. Okay, guys, let's start our practice here. This is the page of the homework, but because of the exam weeks, we will do the homework during these 2 weeks together. So you have full time to study about your exams. You know that. Now let's start with this practice page, page 267, all of you, and let's do these exercises together. Let's start with the first question with Mr. Let me see hands, guys. Let me see hands. يلا شوف. Let me see hands. Good. Good boys. Good boys. Good boys. يلا, we'll start with Sulaiman. Sulaiman.
Yes, Mr.
يلا Sulaiman. Read the question 1, please.
Write each product using as an exponent. Number 1, 4 multiply 4 multiply 4.
Good. Question 1, 4 multiply 4 multiply 4 multiply 4. Can you write it as exponentials?
Yes, 4
Yeah.
to the power of 3.
4 to the power of
3.
Oh, we have 3 fours, not 4 fours. Okay, sorry. 4 to the power 3. Excellent boy. So this is how we represent them, guys. 4 times 4 times 4. It is the base 4 to the power 3, which is the number of the repeated numbers here. Now let's do question 2, guys. Thank you, Sulaiman. Guys, check your answers or do it with me if you didn't do it until now. Shukri.
Yes, teacher.
Yalla,
Number
Shukri.
2. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 5 times.
Good boy. So how will we write
3,
it?
3 times 3.
ماشي يا مستر. How we will
Yeah.
write the exponential, the exponent?
3 and up of the 3 5.
How we read it, ya mister? Not up of. How we read it?
You mean 3 exponent 5? Yeah.
أيوة. 3 exponent 5 or 3 to the power of 5. Not
Yeah.
a 3 and up on. Not a 3 and 5. It's important. The language of math, mister. The language of
Yeah,
math.
but sometimes it's difficult to say it.
No, it's not difficult. Learn 3 to the power of 5, 4 to the power of 3, or 4 exponent 3, or 3 exponent 5. It's easy. 2 words.
Yeah.
Good boy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Guys, put equal. Thank you. Guys, put equal here and here. Make equal. Don't forget. Question 3. Question 3. Hamza. Hamza.
Mr.
Yes.
Number 3.
Hamza.
Yes,
Guys,
yes,
question
Mr.
3. Talk, حبيبي, talk. Don't waste time. Yalla, question 3.
15 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 15 equal 15 to the power to 4. 15 to the power 4.
Excellent. 15 to the power 4. ممتاز. Question 4. Put equal, guys. Put equal. Don't forget it. Tamim.
Yes, Mister.
Talk.
Okay. Number 4. 3 multiply 4 3. Mister. Yes. 3 over 4 power 6.
3 over 4 to the
Power
power
6.
of... How we write it, ya mister?
Yes.
Tell me what I will do.
Yes, Mister. Put a bracket and
أيوة.
inside the bracket put 3 over 4 inside it. And
ممتاز.
after I
3 over 4 with the brackets. Don't forget
Yes.
to the power of
6.
6. ممتاز اثنين. Thank you.
Welcome.
3 over 4 brackets, guys. It's important. To the power of 6. Excellent. Question 5. We know why we use the brackets for the fractions, guys, because if we don't use the bracket and we put it like this, the 6 will be related only to 3, only. The 4 is outside the game, which is wrong. So the bar is for all, like this, exactly. Question 5. Thank you, Tamim. Question 5, Ahmed Najad.
Okay.
Talk.
1 over 3, 1 over, multiply 1 over 3, multiply 1 over 3, multiply 1 over 3, multiply 1 over 3, multiply 1 over, I think it's 1 over 3 to the power of 7.
Good. Bracket 1 over 3 inside the bracket, and we have 7 of them, so it will be 1 over 3 to the power of 7. Good boy. Question 6. But equal, guys, but equal. I know some of you they did not put equal until now. But equal after the question like this. Rayyan.
Yes.
Rayyan, question
6.
6, I think. Yeah.
It's 1.625 to the power 2.
1.625 to the power of 2. Why 2 instead?
Because there is 2.
Because we have 2 of them, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So here equal 1.625 to the power of
2.
2, because we have 2 of them. Thank you. This is the first idea, guys, how to represent the repeated multiple of the same number as exponent, okay? Now, the second idea, if you read the first word, it is evaluate. And this word, yesterday we said, this word means to calculate and find the answer. If I want to evaluate 3 to the power 2, I need to find the answer of it, which is the 3 times the 3 means 9. This is the next idea. So let's find it. Let's solve these exercises in the second idea. So we are in question 7 now. Question 7. We have Muhammad Kamil here.
Yes, mister.
Talk. Question 7. Read.
Power 5. 5 to the power of 5.
Yeah. How we find the answer of 5 to the power of 5?
We multiply 5, multiply 5, multiply 5. We write 5, multiply 5 times. 5 times.
5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Equal. How we will find the answer, mister?
We will multiply 5, multiply 5, 25, 25 multiply by 5, 125. 125 multiplied by
Then
5. 125.
625.
625 multiply 625.
Then multiply by 5. We do multiply normally. 625 multiplied by 5, right?
Yes.
Again, guys, Hamad said 5 times 5, 25. 25 times 5, 125. 125 times 5, 625. 625 times 5, we will calculate it. We will calculate it now, okay?
Mr. I just multiplied and I think the answer is 3,125.
Let's
I
check
think
him. We are checking the answer here. Let's check together. Yalla, tell me.
5 multiply 5 is 25.
5 down, 2 up. Then
5 multiply 2, 12. 1 up, 2 down.
5 multiply 2, it's not a 12.
I know, but I 10 and
It's
12.
10.
I add.
10 plus 2, 12. 2 down, 1 up. Then
5 multiply 6 is 30, so it's 31. Because we added.
31. So the answer is 3,125. 3,125. This is question 7, guys. Please copy or check your answers. Please. Copy or check your answer, please. This is question 7. Now let's move to question 8 with Yazid.
Hello, Mister.
Talk.
6 multiply 6 multiply 6. 6 multiply 6 equal 36. Multiply 6.
Wait. Question 8. What we have in question 8? Tell me the question
6
first.
to the power of 3.
6 to the power of 3. How we find it?
6 multiply 6 multiply 6.
Good. Equal.
If you multiply 6 with 6 equal 36. And then if you multiply 6 with 6 again equal 216.
36 times 6. Let's check together. Now 6 by 6, 36. 36 by 6. Let's check here. 6 by 6, 36. Right, Yazid?
Yes.
6 by 3, 18. Plus 3, 21. So the answer is 200 what?
16.
Excellent boy. Thank you. This is question 8, guys. Write it. Do not write only the final answer, guys. No, write the steps. First, you write the multiples, then equal, then you write the answer. Do not write 6 power 3 equals 216. Okay? Write the steps, guys, please. Write the first step, equal under equal, the second answer here. Please. This is question 8. Let's do question 9 together. Question 9, what we have? Yusuf. Guys, I'm going one by one, huh? Yusuf, we are in question 9. Do you see it?
Yes, I see it.
Yalla, tell me.
10 power 4
Mumtaz. Equal.
equal 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 multiply 10.
Mumtaz. 10 multiply 10 4 times. Then
Then we multiply the 10 and we get the answer.
10 by 10, yeah, Yusuf.
100.
10 multiply 10, how much?
Mister, did you hear me?
Yes, I hear you. I'm asking you. 10 multiply 10, how much?
100.
100. 100 multiply 10.
100 multiply 10.
Do you know?
Yeah, I'm thinking.
1,000. 1,000 multiply 10. 10,000. Look here, Yusuf.
Yes,
Yusuf,
yes.
look here. And all of you guys, please look here. We are talking. We will talk about the 10 of powers of 10, guys. It's important idea, so we'll solve it directly. How many zeros we have here, ya Yusuf?
4.
And what's the exponent?
4.
4. Means if you have 10 to the power, make the zeros as much as you have in the power. Got it?
Got it.
Like, look here. For example, guys, 10 to the power of 5. What we will do to find it?
We put 5 zeros.
No, we put 1 with how many zeros?
5 zeros.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 100,000. Or you make 10 times 10 times 10, 5 times. Okay? After you multiply, you will have the same answer. If we have 10 to the power 6, what's the answer will be?
1 and 6 zeros.
1 with 6 zeros, 1 million. Right, guys? So only, and this idea, guys, only for 10. Only for 10. 10 to the power. If you have 10 to the power, just put 1 and the number of zeros as much as you have in the power. So it's easy one. It's easy one. So 10 to the power of 4 equal 10 thousands, as we see in the board right now. Question 10. Do you understand it, Yusuf? طيب Obey.
Yes, Mr.
Talk.
Okay.
Question 10.
It's 1 over 2 to the power 2
1
over 2
over 2 to the power of
2.
2.
Yeah.
يلا.
Equal 1 over 2 multiply 1 over 2.
1 over 2 multiply 1 over 2. Then
1 multiply 1 equal 1. 2 multiply
okay,
equal 4.
equal 4. So it is 1 over 4. ممتاز. Copy, guys.
I do from 1 to 10 by myself.
طب just check your answers with us, Obey, please.
Now I'll do more.
Check your answers, guys, please. If you did it yesterday, check your answers. Don't leave mistakes. This is question 10. This is question 10. Give me a second, guys. Okay. Question 11. We are done with the question 10 now. Let's do question 11 together. Now, Ammar.
Yes, Mr.
Talk, Ammar. Question 11. What we have?
2 over 5 power 3.
2,
Second,
2 over 5 to the power of 3. How we find it? How we evaluate it?
2 over 5 multiply 2 over 5 multiply 2 over 5.
2 over 5 times 2 over 5 times 2 over 5. ممتاز. Then
we multiply 2 multiplied by 2. 4,
good,
4
guys.
multiplied by
Look,
2,
look,
6.
guys, all of you. How we multiply these three fractions? We know that in multiplying of fractions, like what Obey did here, Obey said 1 times 1 over 2 times 2. We know that when we multiply fractions, we multiply up and down. Also, if we have 3 fractions, 4 fractions, whatever, we multiply all the numbers up or over the multiplication of all the numbers down. So Ammar is saying 2 times 2 times 2, which is correct. Continue. How much 2 times 2, Ammar?
4.
4 times 2?
8.
So up will be 8. Down. 5 times 5?
25.
25 times 5?
125.
125. Mumtaz. This is question 11, guys. Copy, please, or fix your answers. Copy or fix your answers, please. Question 11. Now, question 12, guys. Question 12. Who can help me here? Thank you, Ammar. Go. Right. Shukri again. Shukri, you did a question. Let me choose Abdullah Al-Utaibi. I'll choose the students which did
Yes.
not do questions.
Yes, Mister.
After we finish, I'll go again. Yalla, Abdullah.
Yes, Mister. Number
Question
12,
12.
1 over 4 exponented 4. And
1
1
over
over 4.
4 to the power of 4. Yalla, how we will
And
do
1
it?
over 4 multiply 1 over 4 multiply 1 over 4 multiply 1 over 4. 4
Good.
times.
1 over 4 over 1 over 4 or multiply 1 over 4 equal. Then
1 multiply 1. Now 1 multiply
good.
1 1.
Now up 1 times 1 times 1 times 1.
1.
1, still 1, right? Now down.
Now 4
4
4
times
4
4.
16.
16 times
16
4.
by 4. 16 by 4.
Let's do it together, ya Abdullah.
64. 64.
64, ممتاز. So 4 by 4, 16. 16 by 4, 64. Now 64 times 4.
6.
Let's do it. Let's do it here, mister.
25.
Look here.
256.
256. But let's check together. 64 times 4. 4 by 4, 16. 4 by 6, 24 with 1, 25. ممتاز. So it's 1 over 256. Excellent. Thank you, Abdullah.
Welcome.
This is question 12, guys. Copy it, please. Sorry, guys. Yeah, let's do question 13. Question 13. We are done with the question 12. Let's go to question 13. I want new students, guys. Yusuf, Tamim, Abdullah, Shukri, Yazid, Amr, you did all questions. I want new students, guys. Where are you? New students, where are you? Adnan, yalla. Adnan and Muhsin. Muhsin, prepare yourself to question 14. Yalla. Adnan.
Question 13.
Yeah.
1.5 to the
Question
power of
13.
3.
1.5 to the power
To the
of 3. We have
power of
decimal here. Good. Yeah, let's do it together. Adnan.
Yes.
Yalla.
Put
What will
1.5
you?
1.5 times 1.5 times 1.5.
Good. Now, do you know how we multiply these three numbers?
I know the answer.
No, I don't want the answer. I want how we get the answer.
Okay. Put the decimal away like 15. Multiply them. Then put the decimal at last.
So, what I will multiply here, the first two numbers, what I will multiply?
15.
Mumtaz. So I'll multiply without decimals, guys. 15 multiply 15. If you do 15 multiply 15, what's the answer? It will be, if you do multiply, it will be 225, right?
Yes.
Now, after we multiply 15, 15, which is 225, I'll multiply with what?
15.
With 15 also. So I'll multiply with 15. So first step, guys, I'll multiply all the numbers without the decimals. Without the decimals. Now, if I multiply 15 by 225, what's the answer will be, Adnan?
3.375.
The answer will be 3,375, right?
Yes.
Now I will put the answer here, 3,375. Now I need to put the decimal. Can you tell me where I will put the decimals, the decimal and why?
Why?
Yeah, where I will put the decimal?
We have 1.5, right? We will put, there is a 5, there's a 5, there's 5. Means
So we have
3.
three numbers here after the decimal, right?
Yes. We can't
Yeah, good.
put
We have
3
three
and we put
numbers.
the
Then
decimal.
from
We
where we
can't
count? From the 5 or from the 3?
5.
Good. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Then I put my
3.375.
excellent. The answer is 3,375,000. This is question 13. Thank you, Adnan. Let's go to question 14. The question 13, guys. It's important. Good. We are done with the question 14 now. Let's go to question 13. Let's go to question 14 now. And I'll choose Mohsen. Are you here, Mohsen? Okay.
Yes, Mr.
Yalla, Mohsen. What we have in question 14?
0.2 power 2.
ممتاز. 0.2 to the power of 2. Yeah.
We put 2 times 0.2.
ممتاز. 0.2 times 0.2. Now let's find the answer together, ya Mohsen.
Yes, we multiply it with 2. Mr.
Good. Here 2 and here 2. Multiply them.
4.
4. ممتاز. Now I need to put the decimal, ya Mohsen.
Okay. We put 0 point.
ممتاز. 0 decimal, then 0. Why? Because we have here 2 digits, right?
Yes.
And the 4 is only 1 digit, so we add 0 before the 4, not after the 4. Then we put the decimal. Excellent, Mohsen. Thank you. Thank you. Question 15. Question 15, I want... طب, I'll start again. يلا. شكري.
Yes, mister.
يلا. Question 15.
Yeah. 0.4 to the power of 3
Good.
times 0.4 times 0.4 times 0.4.
Good boy. Then...
Yeah. Then we will multiply 4 by 4. equals
4
16.
times 4, 16. 16 times 4.
Yeah. 16 times 4 equal. Teacher, sorry for the noises that I have, but because I'm in the house.
Let's do it together. Yalla, 16 multiply 4,
equals
right?
64. Equals 64.
Mumtaz, 64. So the answer of the multiplication without decimal is 64. Then,
Yeah. Then, because there is three decimals, sorry, we will first count
yeah,
1, 2, 3, and
3
put
numbers.
decimal 0.
So we have 1, 2,
2, then 3. So we put decimal.
here decimal.
Yeah, here.
Aywa.
And then 0.
And then 0, like this.
Yeah.
Do you see the board?
Yeah.
Top. How many numbers here we have after the decimal, yeah?
1, 2, 3.
And here,
3.
3. Top. How many digits here?
2.
There should be 3.
Yeah, so we need to add 1 0.
Where?
Before the decimal. قبل الديسيمال.
Where? Between which two things here?
Between the decimal and the 6.
Mumtaz. We count. I need 3 digits. 1, 2. Only 2. I add 0 to make them 3. 1, 2, 3. Then I put my decimal. Got it, ya mister?
Yes.
Good boy. Thank you. This is a
Welcome.
question 15, guys. 0.064. Don't forget that. Now question 16. Question 16. Who can help me here? ريان أمجد read بالله بسرعة.
Okay. The table shows the approximate area in square miles of the largest and smallest states in the United States. What is the difference between the areas in square miles?
Good. Now here, guys, if you look at the table, the first state, the area of it is 87 to the power 3. The second state, 39 to the power 2. The question wants us to find what, Ya Rayyan? To find
the difference between the areas in square miles.
Them. Now the difference means to find what? The subtraction. Okay. Now I cannot find subtraction like this. I need to find the answer of each one. Then I can subtract them. Okay. So how you find the answer of the first one, Rayyan?
87 multiply 87 multiply 87.
Now let's find the answer here. And down here, 39.
Multiply 39.
Multiply 39. Now here we have a little bit big numbers, guys. We'll do them together. Okay. I will do them quickly. Just give me a second. Now 39 times 39, guys, it's 1,521. And 87 multiply 87 is 658,503. Now look here, guys. I calculated the first one, the answer 658,503. I calculated the second one, the answer 1,521. Okay. Now in the exams, guys, I want to bring a big numbers like this. I want to bring big numbers. I will bring small numbers, but maybe I will get the same idea. Okay. Now, what's the difference here, Rayyan? I will what?
Subtract.
Yeah, let's subtract. 658,503 minus 1,521. This is equal to, let's subtract them, guys. The answer will be 658,351. Look at the board, guys. 658,351. Miles, we call it miles squared. This unit for what, guys? For area. In the area, we need to put the unit and power 2 of it. So this is the difference between the two areas in the table.
Mister, the power in the area we multiplied or
No, no,
like
mister. It's no, mister. Power in the area means we have 2 dimensions, okay? 2 dimensions, that's all. So it's only note, it's only shortcut to tell us that we are talking about area here, okay? This is question 16. Now question 17, we have 7. If you take a look, guys, I need to do it quickly because we are running of time. Question 17 is important too. We have 7, 7, 7, 7. This is not decimal, guys. It's multiplication. These are not decimals. It's multiplication. Sometimes in math, we can use the dot. It's not decimal as a multiply. Now 7 multiply 7 multiply 7 multiply 7 is 7 to the power 4, right? And if we find the answer of it, if you multiply 7 by 7 by 7 by 7, if you find the answer will be 2401. 2401. Now in the choices down, we have, I think, 5 or 6 choices. I think. The first choice is 4 to the power 7. The second choice is
7 to the power 4.
7 to the power 4.
28.
The third choice is 7 power 7. The fourth choice is 28. The fifth choice is 2401. And the sixth choice is 16384. Now, the question wants us, guys, to know, to select all of the correct answers. 7 by 7 by 7, 7 is 7 to the power 4. So this one is correct. So put check. And if you calculate them, if you multiply the 4, 7 together, the answer will be 2401, which is this choice. So select it. The other choices are what? Are wrong. So we have 2 correct choices, the second and the fifth.
Mister, but they write evaluate.
Yes, I did. I evaluated it. Huh?